It is early morning and Finn and I are out here doing our early morning calving check. We've got one cow hanging out right over, here, and the rest of the herd is very far away from her. So either she's calving and is trying to get away from everybody else, which is really common, or she's one of the mamas that already has a calf and just decided to go off on their own for a little bonding. Or perhaps she's just doing what cows do sometimes and acting a little different than the rest of the herd. So we're gonna go get a look at her. We're also gonna take a look at the rest of the herd and see how everyone's holding up. Aha, I see baby. She has got a babe nestled down in there by the corner fence post. So my guess is she's one of our mamas that delivered yesterday. We'll go do a little count over here and see what else we can find. All right, here's our testy mama from yesterday who charged me a couple of times. You know, that makes for a great mom. They're very protective, but it makes it a little bit more difficult for the farmer that's got to work with them. So I suspect she's got her babe tucked right down there. Oh yeah, she's talking to her. I know, Mama, I'm not coming any closer. You're good. Here goes Finn, walking down there to check on his girls. He's really becoming a good herdsman. He knows what he's looking for. What'd you find out?
There's 11 cows over there.
Yep.
That one over there. Okay, so.
Wait, where is there one?
No, I only can see baby. And
you saw she is one from yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, she has a baby. I saw her and her baby. And that's the good mom, I mean the nice mom.
Yeah.
Crazy mom, did you see her over there?
No.
She's over there. I checked on her and her baby, they're good. But where, you saw 11 without that one?
No, I saw 10 without that.
Okay, got it. So we have 11 big cows. And 2 babies now. Did Royal look any different?
Well, Royal was just acting weird, like, just stays away from everybody.
Any slime or anything?
Well, I was trying to look at that, so I was trying to call her name, but she wouldn't come. So
I wonder if we should just ride out there and look at everybody. We're just sitting out here quietly watching our herd, seeing what we notice. So these are all the girls that could potentially be bred and could be delivering a calf. So things we're looking for, udders that are getting bigger. So this girl in the front, Snow White, because she has the white udder, you can tell her udder is getting bigger. And now yesterday she had a bunch of slime hanging out her backside, so she's probably getting close. This one that is head butting, and on the right, her udder is getting bigger. The one front and center here, her udder is still pretty small, so she's not going to be due in the next day or two. And the head butter on the left, her udder is still small, so either not bred or not due anytime soon. That one back there, her udder's getting pretty big, Finn. Back row on the right.
yeah.
She almost looks like she has some mucus or slime too.
That brownish one?
Furthest back on the right, closest to that green pole back there.
Yeah, I see. And it doesn't, I feel like the other one.
How does that back row left side, how does her udder look? Big?
No.
Okay. Who is over there on the fence burping? Pudge, is that you? Oh, now you're gonna pee on camera. Not a good look, Pudge, not a good look. Well, today would be a lovely day to have a calf. It's supposed to get up to 55 degrees. No rain for the next 24 hours. After today, ladies, you better hold off a bit because it's gonna rain. All right, Peter, you are gonna go to the oat bin and you are gonna fill your wagon with sawdust, okay? We're gonna lay that sawdust down in the truck topper. What?
Is there a scoop in there?
Yeah, you can use one of the feed scoops. I think it's in there. All right. These 2 jokers are getting the extra rolls of wiring out of the broiler house. Or chatting, I'm not sure which one. go, gentlemen. We're burning daylight. The meatballs are waiting. Someone's playing some kind of a practical joke on Gavin, and they've strapped a turkey decoy into his passenger seatbelt. We heard a big explosion outside, somewhere down by the lake, and now all of our power is out.
I thought that was in the basement.
No, it was over there on the lake.
I thought I got shot at.
Interesting.
Wait, do you think...
All right, because we have no electricity, we have no water. And these guys need water, so I think I'm gonna send Tommy to the lake. We have a lake very nearby. That's certainly something to add to our prepping plan. We wouldn't last very long without water. The old culvert's gonna go to the scrapyard. My grandpa will sell it for scrap metal. I've learned that since moving to this farm. You never throw out anything that's metal. You either repurpose it or you bring it to the scrapyard. In front of your weg. Oh. Is it too heavy for you or you're okay? Okay, can you go? Ouch! I've got the top of my head. Alright, Peter.
Gavin is nearby. Gavin might be able to carry it for you. I just found a pail of water in the greenhouse, Gavin.
Peter is taking some of our sawdust, putting it in underneath the truck topper. This is not something that we'll do all the time, but with these guys being little yet, kind of young, maybe not 100% feathered out, I want to make sure they're not laying on wet ground when they sleep. A normal chicken will roost at night. Broilers do not do that. I get the feeling you don't encourage it. They are so heavy that I can see them breaking a leg when they fly down in the morning or something like that. They're just a little bit clumsier than regular birds. We've got one waterer set up for them, and Tommy should be back from the lake with more water shortly. Pete is doing a great job of getting some shavings in underneath the topper.
Okay.
Hazelnut is looking wonderful. You can take this feeder and put it in. Finn, when you lift these feeders, this thing is designed to prevent birds from standing in here. It's not a handle. It'll break if you lift it. So you have to lift from the bottom. You can put that in anywhere you want.
Really, Pete?
Oh my gosh, that bucket is so heavy. Wow.
How many minutes have to go?
First, chunky monkey. One. Huh. Little eagle. There you go. What do you think? Can you do it?
No, what to do.
All right, second chunky monkey. You guys look like you're ready to go to KFC today.
That's what chickens are for KFC.
That's what these ones are.
I hope not. Damn.
Oh, this is humongous one. That one's
Gigantor?
That one's the curious one. Oh.
There we go.
This one's actually walking around.
Here. What do you think, huh? Come on.
Have they ever been on grass?
Need some more feathers.
Mom?
No. Never been on grass. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
This one has yellow eyes. This one has blue. But they look yellow to me.
What do you think, huh?
That one has like greenish ones.
Smells like blue-eyed triplets to me.
Okay, that looks great. Pete, you can set it up
Do
again.
all chickens have the same color eyes?
No.
I've seen a chicken with pink eyes.
Oh, I love
It's called
those.
a rabbit with red eyes.
No, I've seen that too though.
The babies have done really well for their first day out here on pasture. We are going to get them into the truck topper, which Scott has rigged with some lights, so they'll have a little bit of supplemental heat yet tonight. They're just not feathered out enough and mature enough to be out here with no heat at all tonight. Hopefully it's going to get a little bit warmer soon. I see them. They're coming over the house. Okay.